How to provide better customer service? Do these. Make sure you know what your product is all about. Be friendly, respectful, and tactful. Be more patient because you'll encounter different kinds of personalities. Try to respond to their concerns as soon as possible. Listen to your customers so you'll know how you can serve them better. Don't be afraid to ask for feedback and don't take negative feedback the hard way. Look for ways to help them with their concerns and don't forget to say thank you. Simple gestures can make a huge impact. So be nice. Your customers will become your raving fans.